Question 2, we're asked to find some inverse functions here. So we write y equals it. We switch the letters over. Now we rearrange to get y all on its own. The simplest way of doing this is add y to both sides and then take x from both sides. And so the inverse function is 10 take away x, what you started with. Bit weird, but check that. Look, if you started with 2, 10 take away 2 is 8. Stick the 8 in here, 10 take away 8 is 2. You're back to where you started with. That was the idea of the inverse function. Now, in the old days, I would have stopped here and got 4 marks, but I've got to be careful now that we have to put a domain next to it. There was a domain there, x is all real numbers, so I need a domain here as well. X is all real numbers, and we've seen some people lose marks in tests through not writing that down there. Well, the second one is g of x is x over 5. So we'll write y equals x over 5. Swap the letters over. To get y on its own, we're just going to times both sides by 5, aren't we? So the inverse function here, the inverse of g, is 5x. And the question told us that we were starting with all real numbers, so we'll finish with all real numbers, and the domain of that one again will be all real numbers.